Kajing Pentri ke Regional Cancer Center Neigrihms kelajan dep lut bat sa tangkat tu kat ni ki berit beria. Kajing la pen pendep ya kani ke center kan long kajing pensuk ke bekrau ki nong pang cancer bat ki ba hayeng hasem jongki namar bakim don kam show banlech ki hospital ki bedon chabar ke jela na ke benta ban yo kajing sumar halor kani kajing pang. Kat tu kat ni ki tiar ki bakongsan ki ba on pendon kam ban sumar ya ki nong pang kila dep poi. Director kan Neigrihms Dr. Nalin Mekta hinin kasngi ula pentip bakajing slam jong kani ke project kadai nak daw jong ka klam COVID-19 bat ki wei pat ki daw la ban ngong thu ba on sa kerpat yu menteri rang ba du keri Narendra Modi ban play kani ke project ke Neigrihms kala dep ru ban sedang kajing penrung kami ki nong trei ha kani ke jakah sumar wat la kala don lupa ki nos bat ki technical staff ke Regional Cancer Center ka don kamru saya ki wei pat ki nong trei Kerukom ajeng sumar hapok ke RCC kan long haki wat bat ki bentah prepare.
Starting from the delay in the project because of COVID and eventually getting some equipment, especially some that came by sea owing to the current global crisis. And regarding the manpower, we started acquiring equipment and recruitment process phase-wise so that as and when the building got completed, the equipment would start arriving so that we wouldn't have to store them someplace. And we have also initiated the process of recruitment of staff. We already have nursing staff, technicians, etc. in the main hospital, but we will require an additional number for the Regional Cancer Center.
Ka NHIDCL, kalapan kut no ikajing